What up, y'all? It's Big West here. I am really happy to be making this video. Something I got a little while ago. Long story short, didn't make the video, made the video, and now we're remaking the video. So today, as you can see from the title, we are looking at the LED light up mask from Lumen Couture. I think that's how you pronounce it. Sorry if I'm saying it wrong. But basically it's just an LED mask, and you put it on, it lights up, it even responds to voice. Like it's really cool. They sent me one a while ago. It actually broke, so I end up getting a second one, and this is what I'm going to be showing you guys today. So without any further ado, let's open up this package. So it comes in a box like this, just a little white box, really simple. And here is everything that is inside. Oop. So really nice presentation. Just everything in a clear little bag, sleek, sophisticated. Here is the mask itself. Got a little fabric in the back. And then, it just comes with the little bit of paperwork here, an extra filter, which is really nice. Put that there. I think there's a little discount code. If one of you lucky people are able to snag that, then go for it. And then just like a wire to charge it. Regular micro USB, not USB type C, but it's great, and that's all you need, and just charges it, and that's it. Okay, so let's turn this on so you guys can see what we're working with here. So the button's right there in the corner, not really charged. You can see the battery there, but it's turning on now. And you should be able to see something on my face. Let me turn off the light here. Alright, so there's something flashing on the screen anyway. It should be. Turn that back on. And I'll take this off so you guys can hear me clearly again. So yeah, it's saying thank you for purchasing. That's just the standard message it shows when you first get it. But it also comes with an app, and I'm going to show you that just so you can see all the fun stuff you can do. Okay, so I'm here in the app now, and I'm going to try and connect. There we go. Really simple. And then we are going to go to the light section and pick a pattern. So I'm going to turn off the light just so you guys can see it here. And then I'm gonna go with the heart right here. So it should say sending data. It's too much stuff, and it should be up now. Yep, just the heart. And now we'll go over, and you know what? Let's add some text. And it's really cool. You can edit all the colors and stuff. So let's put big and red, and we'll put West and light blue. Save color, put it up. And there we go, Big West. And yeah, should be just displayed perfectly on my face. You can read it. It looks really cool. Not sure how well you guys can see it again here. It's a lot better in the dark. But yeah, guys, that's basically it. It's really cool. There's a lot more stuff you can do. Yeah, there's a ton of stuff you can do with this mask. It can react to when you play music. It can react to your voice. It can do a lot of really cool stuff. Here, let's go for the music one, actually, just so I want to show you guys. And here's playing Jingle Bells. This is like the standard stuff that comes with the app. It's not my music. I just don't have Jingle Bells on my stuff. And let's look if we can do another song. Actually, instead, we are going to see if it can react to my voice. Alright, so I got the microphone on now. It should be just reacting to my voice. It's Big Wes, you know, I hope you guys are liking the video. I hope you guys subscribe and check out Lumen Couture for some really cool masks. They got a lot of other stuff on their website besides masks. They got t-shirts, dresses. It's some really cool stuff that all light up or have some cool little electronic gimmick. So yeah, that's all I'm gonna say. You can go to their website. I'll put a link to their video because there's a lot of cool stuff. You got designs. Actually, I will show you the Mario one because I really like that. Oh, it turned off. So that's the battery right there. Again, and here is the Mario design, which is definitely the coolest one, I'd say. It's really sick. So yeah, hope you guys can still see it. Still up. Oh, the literally just died, so I hope you guys got that. But yeah, that's all I gotta say for the Lumen Couture mask. I think it's really cool. The price, it's a little pricey, but for what it is, it's really cool. It's worth it. I think it's about 50 bucks or 55 US, and it worked out to be like 80 something Canadian. So that's just how it is if you're planning on buying this. If you got the cash to spend, why not? It's a really cool thing. It's not a need. It's not a medical grade mask, so it won't necessarily filter out every little thing, but you know, it's just a face covering like how everyone needs at the very least. So you can go into any store, any place with this, and it's cool and it does the trick, does the job, and you get a little smile out of it and you make people stay. People ask about it all the time. I can tell you from experience, as soon as you put this on, everyone wants to know where you got it from. So that is why I am just making this video. A big thank you to Lumen Couture for sending this. And you, like I said before, go check out their website. Lots of cool stuff. So that's all I gotta say for now. So like and share this video with someone who is just interested in cool stuff like this. It's a really nice gift to send to someone because they're gonna use it all the time. Or share this with someone who just wants to, you know, have some fun while we're in quarantine and COVID and stuff. So like and share this video. Don't forget to ring the bell, subscribe. You don't want to miss out. New videos coming out all the time. And I will be back very shortly with another new video for you guys. So thank you guys for watching so much. I appreciate it really and truly. And stay safe and take care, everyone. So thank you for watching again. Peace out.